Guys, I'm the Creative Coder and today I'll be showing you how to make a Dino Jump game. So let's get started. Now I'll upload the needed sprites. You can take the link in the description box given below. So first let me delete the cat sprite. Now I've uploaded the sprites over here. It's a dino, a land sprite, a cloud and a cactus. The background color must be grey. Now let's start with the coding in the dino. Take a when space key pressed, a repeat 10 block, change y by 7, let's duplicate this, and a change y by -7. Let's take a when green flag clicked, let's start sound connect. We have to search it in the library over here. So it'll start sound connect. And then it will switch my backdrop to backdrop 2. Now over here we have to make one more backdrop which says game over. For that we need to duplicate this and name this as game over. And let's name this as backdrop 1 so that we don't get confused. Here let's take text and type as game over. Let's take a black color. Let me increase the size a bit and center it. We can even change the font style. I like to keep it as pixel. Now let's go back to the Dino code. Now we must make some variables. One is lives. The other one is scope. Actually, let's keep it as distance instead of scope. So we have to set our lives to 10 as the game starts and the distance to 0. And it must go to x minus 190 and y minus 140. Now let's add a forever loop. And we have to change the costume of the dino continuously. So we must tell next costume in the forever loop. Wait 0.7 seconds or maybe 0.5. Then we have to change the distance by 1. Let's add an if statement. So if it is touching the cactus, then it must start sound tap conga. Let us search for it over here. Here it is. It must start sound tap conga and change the life by -1. So if it is 10, it will be -9. And it must say ouch so that we get alert. Let's keep it for 1 second. Let's add another if then statement. Let's duplicate it for now. So if our lives are equal to 0 over here, then it must switch my backdrop to game over and say my distance traveled so far. And then it must stop all so that the project stops. So now we are done with the coding in the Dino Sprite. Guys can have a look at it. Now let's go to the cactus sprite. Now let's do the coding in the backdrop. Now let's check the project. So we have live is 10. I'll press the space key and it jumps. Oh no, it touched and the lives changed by -1. If you like this game, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.